morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. You're welcome to Matajabo Fashion TV, and today we're going to be showing you how to cut well-knitted palazzo trousers. Okay. So we are going to be using black silk fabric. Okay, so you fold your fabric on the one side, on the one side facing up. Okay. You measure your client's biggest part, which is divided by 4. You add the crotch extension. Okay, and then add the allowance to fold it. Okay, I hope you can see it. So because we'll be adding an elastic to this trouser, we'll be dropping 1.5 inches on the tape hole. That means we'll be placing 1.5 on this start line. So from there to our hip line is 9 inches. We mark it. Okay, our crotch is 11.5. Our tie line 14.5. So this tie line is the constant, 3 inches after the crotch. So this is our knee line 22, and our full length is 45. And I added 1 inch. Okay, for the remaining allowance. So making it a total of 46 inches. Okay, so the next thing to do is to put in your hip measurement. I like to mark a starting line in this place. Okay, so that's what I just did. I marked the starting line. So from here I will measure in the hip measurement. So my hip is 47. 47 divided by 4, we have 11.75. Okay, so from the starting line, mark 11.75. Okay, that's it there. Okay. Because it's a palazzo, I want it to be free, so I don't want to use that 11.75. I'm going to add 3 inches to this measurement to serve as allowance. Okay, I'll use 1 inch to hold it on the side, half inch to hold the crotch area. So we're going to be having an extra ease of 1.5. Okay, so that same measurement, what you measured on this waistline, 11.75 plus 3 inches, 14.75. You go ahead and mark it on your hip line and on the crotch line. Okay, 14.75. Okay, remember you added 3 inches as is. Okay, that's 1.5 inch is and 1.5 inch sewing allowance. Okay, so you mark it on your waist, on your hip, and on your crotch. So here you mark your crotch extension. So you get crotch extension by dividing the person's hip line by 8. Okay, whatever you get to mark it. For my clients, we have 2.7. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. Okay. So using your coffee, join this from your crotch. So I don't know if you can see it. Then that's what we have. Okay. So now you're going to measure. Oh, cheesy. You measure the line on the crotch. Okay, measure all of them. Whatever you have, you divide it into 2. Okay, and here I have 17.5. Okay, you divide it into 2 and mark it on that line, mark it on the tie line, mark it on the knee to the full length. Okay, so you mark it on that way. Okay, mark it here. Using your ruler, you join it together. This is so that you can be able to divide your knee measurements, your thigh measurements evenly. Okay? That way your trouser will not be going one side. So hope you can see it. Okay, so this is the line divided. Okay, so I divided the waist measurements by 4 and I marked it here. Okay, after adding my 1 inch allowance, 1 inch allowance. So you mark from here to your hip line. Okay, from here I divided the thigh measurements into 2. Okay, you share it into 2 equal parts here. So for my client is 14.5. I shared the 14.5 here. So this is the mark and this is the mark on the crotch part. Okay, so because it's a palazzo trouser, I will not be dividing the knee measurement. Okay, so it's not like a pants trouser, it's a palazzo trouser. So all I'll go is to go ahead, go to my full length. Okay, I don't know if you can see. I'll go to my full length line and mark my round trouser measurement. Okay, for this client I'll be using 15. Okay, and 15 divided by 2. So it's 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 2 is 15. So it's 15 I divided 3. Okay, once you mark it, you use your long hole and connect it to this measurement. Okay. So this is it. After adding the allowance, you use your ruler to mark it. Okay, so you do the same thing on this side. Okay, so yeah, that's this one. So our trouser pattern is ready. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, you go ahead and cut it off. So remember to add half inches allowance here for joining to the band. Okay, you add half inches. Thank you.